Every organization should be data-driven, with everyone in the organization using data every day to make better decisions and drive better business outcomes. Analytics need to be persuasive throughout the enterprise in order to become truly data-driven. Getting to the answer fast is better when the answer is right. That means placing as much value on speed and agility as on governance and trust. People making decisions in an interconnected way makes everyone smarter. The more people creating and sharing insights across teams, functions, and departments, the smarter the entire organization becomes. Infor Analytics Platform for CloudSuite, powered by Birst, is the leading cloud business intelligence and analytics platform, enabling teams to work collaboratively by unifying IT-managed enterprise data with user-owned data. Birst automates the process of preparing data and adds an adaptive user experience that works across any device. Dashboards and widgets are rendered in HTML5, so they automatically resize for a responsive, optimized experience wherever you use them, on your laptop, desktop, tablet, or phone. Birst's unique approach empowers business users with the speed, autonomy, and agility they demand, while ensuring the governance mechanisms needed to deliver a complete and consistent view of the business. Birst delivers a user experience that supports all styles of analytics, including interactive and responsive dashboards, intuitive visual discovery, analytic views, and exploratory reports. Birst provides a complete network business analytics platform, from data acquisition to transformation, modeling, and analysis. Birst provides data extraction and connectivity options for a wide variety of databases, data lakes, flat and structured files, in-memory and analytic databases, as well as popular cloud and on-premise applications. Birst's adaptive user experience blurs the line between traditional analytics modules, enabling users to interact with data as they move from discovery to dashboard to reports, creating, collaborating, and publishing with a single click. This approach enables true self-service and speed, allowing users to do more with far fewer dependencies on IT while maintaining and analyzing user-generated data. Interactive dashboards contain reports, charts, graphs, and KPIs with filtering and drill-down details. Dashboards may be viewed in web browsers or mobile apps. Birst dashboards support flexibility, drill anywhere capabilities, and analysts can identify a problem and drill down to get an actionable level of detail to solve an issue. Birst Data Discovery interface allows users to intuitively explore data by creating visualizations with drag and drop and double-clicking. Visualizer helps business users and report writers rapidly answer questions and discover information. Visualizer reports start with data measures, such as gross or net sales in dollars or quantity. Attributes further categorize measures by relevant values, such as customer, product, and time when measuring sales volume. Drilling into data automatically applies a filter, or you can add filters. Drilling into the quarter changes the display to show only those months. Adding an attribute for customer name to the color group renders comparative data by customer. Easily switch from graph to a chart. Visualization formats include various graph types, list and crosstab charts, as well as heat, tree, and geo maps. Break by customer name to eliminate repeating the name on each line. Data formatting accommodates currency symbols, dates, decimal precision, units, percentages, and conditional formatting. Users can save visualizations as reports to be distributed via dashboards. The report can be exported to a PDF or Excel, or the link copied and emailed to another user. Birst delivers better analytics with a proprietary, groundbreaking methodology that puts business value first. Birst provides business visibility across the enterprise, promoting speed and agility for insight to better decisions, with patented technology that helps you achieve the fastest time to value possible in analytics today.